Can soul contracts be changed? Does free will of universe actually exist? Have you ever wondered that are you living a predestined life? What if you could change some soul contracts? What if you can change certain agreements that you have signed before you took birth on this planet Earth? Can soul contracts be rewritten? So many people have asked this question in the comment section. Today, I am going to explain you everything around soul contracts, how they are rewritten, can they be rewritten, and so much more. So stick to the video till the end. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sanskriti Sethi. I'm an Akashic record reader, automatic writing and mediumship coach, a numerologist, and a soul guide to all of you. You may have heard so much about that we came on this earth with predestined and pre-agreed lessons, and that is absolutely true. Some relationships are predestined, but how do we carry forward them can be altered by rewriting the soul contracts. Stick around because you're going to understand so much around soul contracts in this video today. You never know that you landed up on this video because you need this change in your life now, and universe has brought you here. So let's understand in very short that what is soul contract. Imagine it is kind of an agreement that you had done for a particular incarnation to learn a particular lesson from a particular person at a particular time at a particular age. Your soul chooses these experiences to grow, explore, understand, and grow in their spiritual journey. And all these lessons and soul contracts are purely based on your past life karmas. And you can know everything from the Akashic records. Your soul contracts are the outer theme lines of what is to be done. What are you here to learn for? Why this person is in your life? What will he give you? What will she give you? What are you both here to do for, and what you will learn from each other in this incarnation, at this age, in this time? तभी तो होता है ना यार, मैं उससे ऐसे अचानक ही मिला था एंड वी स्पेंट द लाइफ टुगेदर. मैं अचानक एक दिन एक रॉन्ग फोन कॉल ले लिया था एंड सी हाउ मच माय लाइफ हैज चेंज एंड इट गोज इनटू द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन आल्सो. यार काश उस दिन मैं वहां नहीं जाती तो इस प्रॉब्लम में कभी नहीं आती. काश मैंने उस दिन नो बोल दिया होता तो आज इतना बड़ा लॉस नहीं हुआ होता. सो इट वर्क्स बोथ वेज. Now let's understand the free will of universe that operates in a soul contract. Because from here this video is going to be very interesting. क्योंकि ये आप ही का question है and I am here to tell you everything about it. While soul contracts are the outer frames of your experiences, the free will is there for you so that you can change your agreements, alter your soul contracts and do manifestation around it. Now let's say if you have a soul contract with someone where you have to experience how to forgive in a relationship, then free will of universe comes into action. Now let's say this contract is signed with another 10 people that okay, you will come in contact with first person, and if you do not learn it, then you go into the second person, then the third, and so on until you learn it from the last relationship. Now under the free will of universe, with the guidance of universe, with your manifestation, at first only you understood and okay, this is my lesson and I should learn it now before universe brings more challenges into my life. And with your free will of universe, you choose to exit from another 9 soul contracts that you have signed before you have taken birth. Isn't it amazing? If you have had a difficult experience in life, how you respond to the situations is absolutely what your soul contract forms. This is what forms your soul journey, your growth, your balance, your spirituality. Now the question is, can soul contracts be rewritten? So the answer is yes. And also the answer is no. There are certain soul contracts which are the 4 lessons of life which cannot be rewritten because they are non-negotiable contracts. The non-negotiable contracts are signed by us that this is one thing that we are going to face karmically in this life because this is what we have signed in the contract, and this has to be with your life up until 35 years, 40 years, 50 years, or a health issue, or maybe you have a family around who is giving you such complex issues. So these are the core things, and sometimes these soul contracts are non-negotiable, therefore it cannot be changed. But at the same time, there are many soul contracts which are negotiable and can be rewritten, where you are ready to learn the lessons at first go, and sometimes you're learning it before it actually comes to you, because universe is your language. Manifestation is your language. When you do it, you actually win the show. So if you ever feel that you'll be able to shift the energy, move things, change things, transform things, everything is going to work for you beautifully. Now, how to rewrite these soul contracts? So we have soul contract reading and healing available on our website, wherein we tell you what kind of soul contract do you have with the other person, and we heal those soul contracts and rewrite them in the session. It is always advised to take help from the professional who is an Akashic record reader and a healer who can help you understand this. But how you can do this little homework on your home in your altar? Now let's take an example. You and your boyfriend have certain issues in life. Take one sheet, write your name. Take another sheet, write the name of your boyfriend, and start writing the things that he is here to give you, and start writing the thing that you are here to give him. Whatever you feel like, whatever comes in your way, whatever experiences tell you, write each and everything. When you write everything, you are releasing so much within you, and when you will read all these things together, you're going to understand that, okay, these are the things. These are actually not 10 things, but these are actually 1 or 2 things, and I am here to learn, or he is here to learn, or you both are here to learn from each other. Meditate and do this again and again if you really want to understand the magic of Akashic records. Don't miss this beautiful soul contract reading and healing, because trust me, it can change your life upside down for all the good, for your highest best in life. So soul contracts can be changed? In a way, the answer is yes, except the soul contracts that are non-negotiable. See, you are a manifester, and you were just looking for my validation to tell you this. And now when you know it, you need to change yourself today. Book your Akashic record reading now. The link is given in the description box, because in that reading, you can ask me what is your soul contract with your husband, with your wife, with your girlfriend, with your mom, with your mother-in-law, or anybody that you want to know for. Hop onto my website www.sanskritisethi.com or reach out to my team on +91 96340033939. Your Akashic records are calling you. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Give me a lot of love, because this is what I manifest from my YouTube soul family. I need your support, your love, so that I keep making such beautiful videos for all of you. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, because you need the notification for the next video that can change your life. So until next time, take care and see you soon.